Hello, assalamu alaikum. In this video, actually, we will talk about the HLookup function. It's very important function in Microsoft Excel, right? So for this tutorial, actually, I take this Excel file from this website. It's free, actually, right? So wallstreetmojo.com. I retrieve or downloaded this file from the internet for academic purpose or to teach my student how to use the HLookup function. For the disclaimer, actually, I said that I retrieved this data or this example sheet from this website. Okay, so here uh, one example of the age lookup. For example, this is the master data. Right here, you will find the employee ID number, employee's name, uh, DOJ. It could be the date of birth or any other something, right? And it's a salary or date of join, right? Date of joining, like this. So here you will find the maybe yeah, we need to retrieve how for example, I'm just deleting it. We need to retrieve salary, employee salary based on their ID, right? So as this table array is arranged by horizontally, right? So we need to use the h lookup function. So just write the equal h lookup, right, bracket, and here I need to put the lookup value. This is the lookup value, okay? So comma, and I need to select this table array, right? Okay, select this table array and comma. So now we need to investigate or identify the salary. So where is the um, row index number? For example, 1 2 3 4. So we need to put here 4, and definitely we need to write the false, false, as we have to make it the exactly match, right? So here I'm just putting the dollar sign for uh, closing purpose, or just to make sure that the cell number will not change. Just click enter, right? So and drag and drop. So you will find all the values are in here, and the salaries we get in this way, right? So this is the one example of a lookup function. Here you can find the here is see here, you will find the function, how we can write it, right? Okay, so in the next example, there it is, it's quite different actually, right? So simultaneously we'll use the lookup function, is lookup function, with the match function actually, right? So how we can do it, what is the match function and how we can do it? For example, this is the master file, right? This is the master file, and based on this ID number we need to identify the salary, employee name, department, and date of joining. On the other hand, here actually it's not arranging in this way, right? So we'll write here is look sorry is I'll double up, yeah, h lookup, then write the, so what is the lookup value? So this is the lookup value, right? So we will find this value from where, right? I will find the salary, right? So from where actually I will find, so comma, uh, I will find this lookup value from this table area, right? From this table area. Okay. So, comma. But problem is, previously actually we wrote the how can I say, row index number, but right now the salary, employee ID, department, date of joining is not how can I say, it's not sequentially arranged, right? So that is why we will match actually. What is this variables, right, with these variables, okay, with these variables, right? So how we can do it, actually we can write the match function, match match function, right? So how will we, what will we match? We will match this one, the salary. So sequentially, according to the previous lesson, right, from where we can match it. So comma, so we will match it from this variable names, right? From these variable names and comma. So we need to make it a, for example, exact match, right? Exact match, it means 0. So we will not write the exact match, we will write the 0, okay? And then comma, and finally the next, and the comma, the next match. Actually, you can write the true or false, right? False is means 0, but we're just writing the 0, okay? So bracket comma enter, right? So please see here, 148, 1D 148, this one the exact number, right? So if I drag and drop in this way, so it's not coming, right? Okay, so how is this? Oh no, it's not coming. Why? Because of we didn't make it, okay? And then we can use it. Yes, it's working, right? So you need to understand where you need to put the dollar sign. Actually, you will fix the table array, you need to lock both row and column, right? So this is the second example of HLookup function, right? Please do practice at your home. This for I mean this, for this variable, for this variable, for this variable, right? Here you will find actually the here you will find the main function, how you can use the match function with the HLookup function, right? Okay, so after the next video, right? If you uh, by the way, if you have any question, you can write it in the comments box, or just let me know in the WhatsApp group actually. So after the next video, okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.